This is like the sourdough restaurant in Kolashin.
Okay.
And this is one of those traditional restaurants. This was once a smokehouse. You would have like different kind of meat and everything.
Well, you can see the wood's been darkened by the smoke.
So the fireplace would be here,
Yep.
and everything would be hanging around, and they would be slowly smoked and done with the smoke.
So the prosciuttos and things like that.
And then sausages, different things.
Awesome.
That's the wife of King Nicola. I see
Okay.
her often. She's Milena, and she got to that M
Uh-huh.
on the circle. This is ironing clothes.
Yeah. Back in the day.
Yeah, you would
Put hot coals in there.
open it, put coal inside, close it, and then you would do the.
And here's that instrument, the Montenegrin instrument you told me about.
Yeah, snowshoes.
So what are we eating here, Pablo?
Well, we are eating the traditional mountain dish of Montenegro, which is kajmak. So it is
Kačamak.
Kačamak, yeah. So it's basically potatoes, flour, corn flour, and cheese. So,
Okay.
And you cook the potatoes, then you mash them, then you add the flour, then you add the cheese, and the segment is there is a piece of equipment which looks like a small baseball bat, and you have to beat it this mass to get it together for more than an hour. So it is like at least 100 beats that you have to do.
Yeah, right.
So it's quite a lot of work. It is then a lot of cheese is melted and then poured over it.
Yeah, it does look very cheesy.
Soak it in inside, yeah.
There we go.
Yes, you can see how it goes.
Yeah, right.
I think you're
Smell good.
You're cheese law.
I love cheese. So here we go.
How about? I don't know, getting up and with it.
Приятно, right?
Yeah.
Приятно.
And the sour milk.
And this is the sour milk,
Yeah. Your
which is
favorite
delicious. I
Dish of Montenegro, yeah.
love it. We've been eating it the last few days in Jablyak, in the mountain cottages, and it's so tasty. So now we're having the sour milk with Kačamak.
Kačamak, yeah.
Excellent. So I'm having Kačamak here, and it's delicious. And I don't know what to compare it to, but to describe it, it's a very smooth taste. So the potatoes and cheese just mix so nicely, and yeah, it's tasty. Another important thing about Montenegrin food is that the portions are massive.
Yeah.
Every meal me and Pavle have had have just been like huge. Like we have barely been able to finish it each time.
It was surely a fight about finishing
Yes.
the food, yeah.
Especially like the last, I don't know, 5 bites. It's really
Yeah, that's the workout. And considering this, that in Montenegro, it is like an offense to leave
oh yeah.
the food behind.
So I guess somebody on this table is going to be eating this.
Yeah, that's usually the guests.
No problem. So we finished about, what would you say, maybe 60% of it, something like that.
55, 60. 60.
So we finished about 60% of this Kačamak, and I'm very sleepy. And Pavle, who is driving, is
Yeah, it's thrilled.
is also sleepy. But we're getting the rest to go.